Hi friends. So today we are going to learn about AWS EC2. So EC2 is a service which provides us the compute capacity in the cloud, and we can use EC2 as our server desktop workstation. You can also use EC2 server for development of your web application, and it provides you the public IP address which will be static till you stop or shut down the instance, so that you can test it on your web browser with that public IP address. So there are many factors to make your website work on EC2 instance. So let's take an example. You want to run a Flask web application on your EC2 server. Create an EC2 instance on AWS, connect via SSH to that server. By default 22 port is allowed to connect you to EC2 instance. Once you get a shell of your server, you can start making your web application and run on whatever port you like. But now comes the tricky part. So you won't be able to access your web application with the public IP address, because you might have to specifically allow that port in your inbound rule. So if your website runs on 80 port, you should add inbound rule to allow 80 port to the destination 0.0.0. So let's start with demonstration part. So this is my EC2 dashboard. Okay, so you just have to go inside instances. You need to do a launch so here you need to select the AMI. Let's select Ubuntu 18.4, which is latest. So here you have to select instance type. So let's proceed with T2 micro, which is free tier eligible. Let's review and launch T2 EBS. Let's leave this all default and let's launch this. Now it will choose the existing key pair. Let's create a new key pair so that you can understand how to create a new key pair. Download this key file, first name this key file. Download this. So this key will be downloaded to your desktop. Do launch instance. So you are good to go. Your instance is now launching. You can check the status here. It is in pending state. So I'll just brief you out about the description. So this is the instance ID, this is current state, instance type, this is private IP, and this is the public IP which we were talking about. This will be accessible across the world. Now if your application is running on port 80, so this is a security group, view inbound rule. As you can see, there is only 22 port allowed across the world towards. So you need to add 80 port if your application is running, web application is running on 80 port. Let's add that. So this is the security group for this instance. You have to go there. You have to select inbound rules. You have to edit inbound rule and add rule. My application will run on HTTP. Okay, port 80. If your application runs on 5000, you can select custom TCP and you can give 5000. HTTP. Destination is 0.0, that is across the world. Web application port. Save rule. That's it, we are good to go. Let's commit instance. This is our running ones. View inbound rule. You can see port 80 is added. Okay, now let's connect to the server using SSH. Our Flask web application inside EC2 instance by logging into that server. This is a VM file and user is Ubuntu because we have created Ubuntu EC2 instance. This is the public IP of that EC2 instance. We are inside. I have created sample Flask application which will run on 80 port. Okay, it is running. That's it, our instance is running. So by this time you have learned how to use EC2 instance and what is EC2 instance. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.